This is the IELTS Speaking Test, Part 3, discussion. So, I will ask you some questions regarding school rules. The first question is, what kind of rules are common in a school?
School rules are wearing a uniform, maintaining discipline in a class, being punctual, and respect to teachers and peers. And there are some other rules regarding homework submission and behave good to all teachers and also students.
Okay, the next question is, how important is it to have rules in a school?
It's very essential to have rules in a school. Without rules, it's very challenging to maintaining all aspects and all the things in a school. So for me, I think to have a rules, it's not only create a good atmosphere for learning, but also create environment of learning.
The next question is, what do you recommend should happen if children break school rules?
If children break school rules, I think it is good to discuss with them rather than harsh punishment. If not possible, I think all teachers or school committee should talk to their guardian as well. I know there are some schools they have strict rules. If any student breaks the rule, they get quite challenging punishment. It's not good. It's also broke the heart of the students. I think first they should understand why that student broke the rule, and they can take a decision by discussing with the students.
Okay, the next question. Can you suggest why many students decided to study law at university?
I think it's a personal interest that some they want to be a lawyer, that's why they choose. But there are some other thing that I can say that that occupation lawyer is very prestigious occupation, and there are a lot of opportunities in the future. They can ranking their job by becoming judge. So I think these are the some reason many students wants to be lawyer at university.
Okay, the last question is, what are the personal qualities needed to be a successful lawyer?
It's very difficult for me to explain what are the things, because I didn't study about law, but there are some things that I can obviously mention, that he has to be critical, analytical person, and as well he has to be good at communication. He has to be good at communicating to others. So these are the things that I can mention, and he have to be patient under pressure.